Hi, Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com. Here's a write-up I did back in '03 called The Ultimate Trade Setup using Bollinger Bands. Markets move between low volatility trading range moves to high volatility trend moves. One of the best ways to see this taking place is with the Bollinger Bands. When a market makes an extremely narrow range move, the Bollinger Bands will noticeably narrow together. When the bands narrow down, it shows an extremely low volatility market. A low volatility market forecasts a high volatility trend move is more than likely just around the corner. In other words, this is probably a big trading setup and a money-making opportunity at hand. The bands narrowing together does not forecast the direction that the breakout will be, but oftentimes it is fairly clear from classic technical analysis which way the breakout will be. Okay, now let's move down here a little bit. Now, wheat, a narrow range base. At the beginning of this chart, from 320.03 to 56.03, wheat made a narrow range base pattern. The Bollinger Bands narrowed down. There was no doubt that a low volatility move was happening. This put us on alert that this was a $1 million trade setup. A possible trading opportunity was at hand. Wheat exploded to the upside from there. Okay, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about there. Basically, this is where I was saying that it narrowed down, and it just kind of told you that something was probably going to happen for wheat, and it did. It exploded to the upside. It moved from $3 to $4 a bushel. Now, there's some other writing here that just kind of says the same thing we just went over, so I'll just show you these charts. Soybeans, here's a narrow range move that led to a big explosive up move from 5 to 8. Natural gas narrowed down here, and then this move it ended up, that's what it led to. That narrow range move led to that big up move. And then here's one for feeder cattle, where we had a long narrow range move and it exploded to the upside. And then here's a little closer look at the same chart that we just saw. So that's it on the Bollinger Band lesson. But then, like I'd like to invite you by ProfitTrading.com to get 100% free email newsletters, lots of exciting info. And then if you come to ProfitTrading.com, you just sign up for these different newsletters. I got stocks, commodities, forex, morning futures. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening to my video.